Hey, what's up guys? Mrmario827 here. Today we are going to be doing part 2 of my 600 video special. And yeah, so this is going to be a really interesting one. This is the second part, so yeah. As you see in the background here, this is my my first part that I did. So as you can see, guys, this is my done the first part, which is my updated Nintendo 3DS, DS, Wii U, GameCube, and Game Boy Advance games collection. As you see, my nice thumbnail of me from the thumbs up. Yup. And yeah, if you guys haven't seen my first part of my 600th video, make sure to have a look at my channel right now, and it'll still be there. So yeah. So yeah, for this second part of my video special, I decided to do something different to my channel. So yeah. So I decided to do a tutorial videos. So I decided to do some tutorial videos such as gaming and creating stuff and whatever and that stuff. So yeah, so I decided to do that because I'm still trying to figure out what is my part 2 of the 600 video special, and it's really hard decision for me because it's really hard for me to choose. But you know what, I decided to do tutorials. So yeah, so yeah, so for my first tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to create so you have to create your own thumbnails in PowerPoint, using PowerPoint. So yeah, and I'm just going to show you guys what the previous thumbnails that I've done. So I'm going to be going to my pictures, and actually no, it's my documents, and I'm just ready. I'll just choose the example one. So yeah, I'm gonna be choosing the simple one, which is this one. Yep. So this is the thumbnail that I done. So I put the background of a picture, the logo, the title, what it says, and you can put an image on there, or you can just leave it like that as an image. So yeah. So yeah. So this is my first tutorial. And yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to create your own thumbnails using PowerPoint. So yeah. So for starters, the only thing you need to do first is to go on to PowerPoint. If you have a Windows 7 or Windows 8 laptop, if you have if you have PowerPoint, that is. And yeah. So first thing you have to do is to go to right click and go to Format Background. And then go to picture or text field, and you don't need that background. So if you want to find any pictures, like search up in the internet and choose any game you go do, like get like Let's Plays or something like that, and that stuff. Yep. So the next thing you have to do is to go to File, and then you can choose any image you want. Yep. So I'd rather just choose a random picture that I felt like it, like maybe, let me just check. So yeah, I can try and do this. I might try probably this one, like that. Okay, no, I'll try this one, Luigi Raceway. Actually no, I'll try Luigi's Mansion 2 for example. And then the background picture will appear like this. Yep, as you can see right here. Now for the next step you have to do is to find a logo. Now trying to find a gaming logo is a very most important thing you have to do. So you have to try and find a logo, like for example, if I can find one, such as hang on, let me just check. Oh yeah, like for example, Nintendo Wii U logo. This is actually a PNG picture. So yeah, most important thing you have to do is to find some pictures of the logos that has PNG pictures. So yeah, and also the character pictures and that stuff, they're PNG. So yeah, I only choose one that has PNG instead of PG because you can see the white. So yeah. So that's the most important thing. Now we'll have our background. Now, coming from the logo, so we need a Luigi's Mansion 2 logo. right here, as you can see right here. Now the thing you have to do is to copy right here, like this, and then paste it like this. There we go. As you can see right here, some of them are big, some of them are small, like that. So yeah, you can make them bigger, you can make them smaller, or wider, or whatever you felt like it. You do anything you want, just depending on what size you want to do. Yeah, so I prefer this size, pretty good. Now for the next step, is to put your writing on there. If you actually done a video, then I suggest to make a thumbnail, and then you have to type in the words that you're doing. Type in what your video is called. So that's what you have to do. So I'm gonna call just a random Luigi's Mansion. Luigi's Mansion 2, like so. Now you can change color like this. So you can paint it like this, and then you can change it from here to up here. I prefer up here. And then you can change it to white, you can change it to red, you can change it to blue or green or whatever you want to call it, whatever you felt like it. I prefer use probably white, I guess. And then next thing you have to do is to type in 3ds. Then whenever you do walkthroughs or whatever, just call this one like walkthrough, like so. And then do it like that. So yeah, that looks pretty good so far. Now if you want to make the text bigger, sorry about that. Now the best thing to do is to go up here, and it says font size, and you change the font size. So right now it's 44, and I'm gonna change it probably to I might change it to probably I'm gonna change it to 40. Okay, yep, that's pretty good. And right there, it looks pretty good. So let's have a look what the thing looks like. Yep, there it is. So that looks pretty good so far. Now to scroll down like that if you want to make some room. And I prefer to delete that bit. There we go. Now I might change the color back. Color, and I'll put it down here. Okay, yep. So now for the next bit you have to do, oh, I forgot one more thing to show you, to do the coloring, the color of the text. If you wanted to make it even more fancy, you can go to see right here, drawing tools, go to format, and then go to text full, sorry. Then you can change color or make a picture image and that stuff. So I might probably go to texture, more textures, and then you can make it different colors. Yeah, so you can do it like this or like this, rainbows, and maybe like this or like that, whatever you wanna. Anything you want, so you can choose any color you want, like that. But I prefer, I'll choose probably green and black as the outlining. Hey, it looks pretty good. Yep, so this looks pretty good ready. Just double check right here. There we go. So this looks pretty good. I like it. Alright, and one more thing we have to do is to save it as an image. Now, the most important thing you have to do is to save it as an image. So, the other thing you have to do, or you can save it first if you want to. So I prefer not. So, right here you go up here to the menu, you go to save as, and then you can change save as type right here, and then instead of change it to PowerPoint presentation, and see right here, JPEG file, and right here just click on that, or you can change to PNG, whatever you want to do. So I prefer JPEG, and save. And then you can just choose every slide or current slide or whatever. You can do anything you want. So yeah, I prefer going to current slide. And there you have it. And there you have it. So yeah. Now let's have a look and see what it looks like. And there it is. Yep, so there's my awesome thumbnail that I just create, and yeah. So yeah, if you guys having trouble trying to create your own thumbnails like so, make sure to go on PowerPoint because it really helps, and try and create your own thumbnail. So yeah, try and find a game logo that has a PNG picture and the background. Write your what your video is called, and you put an image in the bottom, or yeah, you can do anything you want and make your color of the text fancy. And yeah, so this looks pretty good. And yeah, I guess that does it for this tutorial, my first tutorial, and of course part 2 of my 600 video special. So yeah, anyways, thanks for watching the video. Please leave a comment, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for my third part of my 600 video special. So stay tuned for the third part. And yeah, one thing guys, before I end this video off, don't forget guys to smash the like button. Let's see if we can reach this video under 10 likes. If we reach under 10 likes or more, I will upload third part of my 600 video special as soon as possible. Or maybe I can upload the next tutorial video as well. So yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching the video, and bye and peace out everyone. Woo!